Hello kids, welcome to maths class. Today the topic of our learning is geometry and we are going to learn line and line segment. Let's start with line. Children, what is line? A set of points joined together on a plane surface is called line and it looks like the figure given below. Now see the figure and tell, does it have a starting or an ending point? It has no starting point and no ending point because it has arrows on both sides. Now again look at the figure and tell, how is a line denoted? A line is denoted by arrow on both sides. That means it can be extended from both the sides. Now children, look at the figure and see, does it have any fixed length? No, it does not have any fixed length because it has arrows on both sides. Now we will see how is a line represented. Children, it is represented as the figures given below. Next, we will see what are the examples of line. Railway line and road because they have no starting and no ending point. Let us see the copy approach.
Okay children, now see the copy approach. First of all, draw margins, then write down date and right side homework. Now first of all you will write, after leaving one line, exercise 1 and we have to draw and define line. What we are going to do? Draw and define line, colon. Now again leave one line and you have to draw the line. How do we draw the line? We draw it like this, and we all know that line has arrows on both the sides. Now again leave one line, put number 1. As we have learnt about the line earlier, now we will write it on copy. First point was a set of points joined together, that is joined, joined. Set of points joined together, 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 on a plane surface, plane, plane, surface, surface, plane surface. Now leave one line, put number 2. Second is, it has no starting point, start, start, ing, starting, no starting point and no ending point. That means it can be extended from both the sides. Full stop. Leave one line, put number 3. It is denoted by, it is denoted, denoted, denoted by arrows, ARROWS, arrows on both sides as you have drawn, SIDES, both sides, full stop. Leave a line, put number 4. It has no fixed length because it can be extended from both the sides. So it has no fixed length. LENGTH. Full stop. Leave one line. Put number 5. It is represented REPRESENTED, represented as. Now children, see carefully. We will draw 2 lines like this. It is represented as A, B, or like X, Y, etc. Any name you can give like this. Now leave one line, put number 6. For example, road and number line, etc. So with this, copy approach of line is complete.
Now we will start with line segment. Children, what is line segment? A set of points joined together on a plane surface. It looks like the figure given. Next is, does it have a starting point and an ending point? Yes, it has a starting point and an ending point. Now look at the figure and see, does it have any fixed length? Yes, it has fixed length because it has dots on both sides. How is a line segment denoted? A line segment is denoted by dots on both the sides and it cannot be extended. Next is, how is a line segment represented? Children, line segment is represented as the given figure. You can see we will put dots and write AB. Next is, what are the examples of line segment? As it has the fixed length, edge of door and edge of window can be the example of line segment because they cannot be extended from either side. Now let us see the copy approach of
Now we will
line
do
segment.
line segment. First of all, take a new page in your copy. Write down date. For example, date is 8 July 2020 and on right hand side you will write homework. Now leave one line. Exercise 1. Draw and define. Draw and define line segment. Line, line, segment, SEGMENT, line segment. Now again leave one line and you will draw line segment like this. As we know, line segment, we will put 2 dots on each side. Now leave a line, put number 1. Again our first point is a set of points, SET, set of points joined together on a plane surface. Plane surface. SURFACE, surface. Leave one line, put number 2. Next is, it has starting point and ending point. It has starting point, start, start, ing, starting point, and an ending point, end, ing. That means it cannot be extended from any side. Full stop. Now it is denoted denoted, denoted by dot on both sides. Full stop. Leave one line, put number 4. Now if it has dot on both sides, so it has fixed length. Fixed. It has fixed length. Full stop. Leave one line, put number 5. It is represented, represented, represented as. Now children, now we will draw line segment. Like this, and write A, B, or it can be R, S, etc. Leave one line, put number 6. For example, FOR, for example. Now, edge of door, because it has fixed length and cannot be extended, so edge of door or edge of window. WINDOW. With this, we are done with our copy approach of line segment.
Now, I want you to practice the sums given in your SNAP homework. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you, class.